Poshmark is an online marketplace and social networking platform that allows users to buy, sell, and discover fashion and home decor items. Here's how it works. To access Poshmark, go to the website and sign up for an account using your email address or Facebook account. Once you've created your account, select your preferred location from the drop-down menu at the top of the page. Browse through the listings in your area by selecting a category, such as women's clothing, men's clothing, or home decor. Use the search bar to find specific items or sellers. Click on a listing to see more details, including photos, price, location, and seller information. Contact the seller directly through email or messaging to ask questions or negotiate a price. If you're interested in buying an item, arrange to meet the seller in person to complete the transaction. Always exercise caution when meeting strangers and follow safety tips provided by Poshmark. Once you've made a purchase, leave feedback for the seller to help build their reputation on Poshmark. You can also post your own listings on Poshmark by clicking on the Post button and following the prompts to create a listing. Poshmark is available on desktop and mobile devices, making it convenient to use wherever you are. However, be aware that some cities have banned Poshmark due to safety concerns or legal issues, so check your local laws before using the platform. Poshmark offers an affiliate program for its users, which allows you to earn commissions by promoting Poshmark and its listings on your website or social media channels. To learn more about the affiliate program, visit the Poshmark website and click on Affiliates in the footer menu.